Hello viewers, today I'm going to share a way to run Photoshop in Linux. I'll use Wine for this purpose. There are other ways to install Windows apps to Linux, like recently came up Winboat, but I don't think that will work better way as Winboat basically uses virtual machine to run Windows apps. So graphics might not work as expected, and that will make Photoshop slower. Let's search for Wine 11 as that's the latest version, and follow its guide to install it. I'm using Ubuntu 25.10, so I will follow guide for Ubuntu. You can run this first code to see your system code name, which you can use later for selecting right version on command. As you can see, mine is called questing. Now run this second command to create keyring folder. Run the third command to add Wine repository to your system. Now we need to add source file. From this list, we need to choose the correct command for our system. I'm adding the one for questing. Now as our source is updated, we should run update command so application caches is updated. Now from install Wine commands, I will choose stable branch command. It will install Wine, which will take some time. I'll fast forward the download and install part. Now that Wine is installed, we can run Wine command to check if it's working. Now let's install Winetricks as well. It will be needed to run Windows program smoothly. After Wine installation done, now let's install Photoshop. Here's my Photoshop installer. Right-click and select Open With. Then select Wine Windows Program Loader. On first start, Wine will install some necessary components. You will see as the image attached here. It will take some time, so you might need to wait few minutes. Then run exe file again. Now you can install Photoshop as you normally would on Windows computer. Now let's open Photoshop from installed folder. Right-click on exe file, then select Open With, and choose Wine Windows Program Loader. As you can see, Photoshop running normally now under Ubuntu, and it should detect the graphics from system as well. Here you can see it detected our UHD 630 iGPU from 8th Gen system, and we can use Photoshop for general tasks with this. Hope this video helps someone new to Linux and require Photoshop for some tasks. If you face any issue, you can put a comment. Thanks for watching.